Good morning, friends. How are you doing today? Today I am going to speak few lines on World Environment Day to protect Mother Earth. Let's start.
Hi friends, welcome to my Rockstar Daughter.
World Environment Day is celebrated every year on 5th June. We started celebrating it since 1974. Every year, World Environment has a theme. This year's theme is Ecosystem Restoration. That means it is that we have to protect our environment by reducing pollution and deforestation. Every year, World Environment Day has a country host. This year's host will be Pakistan. So, on this day, let us pledge that we will protect the environment by planting trees and reducing pollution and deforestation. Thank you! If you like my video, click on the like button and if you like the channel, subscribe the video, follow on Instagram and click the bell button and also share my video with your friends. Bye bye!